Hello everyone! I know I need a haircut and probably a shave as well. Shut up! The final episode of the Platformer series has been made. It's currently unlisted on YouTube, available to my $5 Patreon supporters already, but coming to everyone else this Friday. With that done, I've got a lot of things I'm working on at the moment, a lot of different ideas and things I want to do. I'm running a poll as well for my Patreon supporters to decide what topic I'm going to cover in my next standalone video. So something I've been asked to do by a few of you guys, sometimes repeatedly, is to make a video where I look at your projects. So you guys can send games to me and I'll do a video where I play them, talk about them. That could be kind of fun, so I'm going to do that. I don't know how many videos I'm going to get submitted. I don't know how many I'll be able to play, or at least play in the video. I'll play as many as I can, maybe put like a minute of footage of each one in the video where maybe I talk about the game for a little bit. I don't know, maybe more than that, maybe less than that. I don't know, no idea, it depends. Depends what I get through and what I decide to do with it as I make it. But if you want me to maybe play your game on a video, maybe I'll do a live stream. Maybe that could be a fun idea. I'm deciding this as I'm making this video. I might do a live stream where I play like a ton of these games, talk about them for a long time, and then do a smaller video afterwards where we kind of look at some of the highlights and stuff. Maybe that'll be a way to do it. Who knows? So if you're interested, send me an email. Send an email to this address. Put this in the subject, and I'll maybe play it. Zero promises about anything, as I said. You might have noticed I'm kind of just making this up as I go along. But I say, if you're interested, just send it. What do you have to lose? You don't have to have followed like all of my stuff necessarily, but I will say that the game has to be made in Game Maker. That's pretty much going to be the only rule. I think that's the only rule. Nothing obviously stupid or offensive, I guess. I guess that's another good rule. Yeah, that'll do. This was only a dumb quick video, so I won't insult my patrons by putting their names on the credits of this particular video. So I'm just going to leave it here. Thanks for watching. Send me your games. Thanks, guys. See you next time.